Hey guys, how are you? I hope you are all doing incredibly well. Today we will talk about a token that has a lot of utility, as it is a token directly from a token launch platform. That is to say, it's a DEX platform, and it's in the pre-sale phase. Stay in this video because I will explain absolutely everything you need to know about this beautiful opportunity. Pay attention to this token that I am presenting to you today, as this token has surprised me a lot, as it is a very good opportunity. And now I'm going to explain to you why you should notice that this platform is a token launch platform. That is, it is a DEX platform. It is hosted within the Solana network, and its name is Solana. Let's analyze a bit how the presale is going and what utilities the token will provide us directly once it's listed. As a first point, let's take a look. Something important is the amount they have raised so far. Notice that it's almost $4 million. Let's see why. As I mentioned a moment ago, what makes this launch platform different from meme tokens is the utility that the token has once it's launched. Notice that this platform here has raised almost 4 million, and the maximum amount to be raised in this round is $4.36 million. 4 million and something, okay? We have it marked right here, and they currently have $353,000. Now then, on which network is this token going to operate? As I mentioned a moment ago, this DEX platform is on the Solana network. Therefore, it will be listed on the same network. You will be able to buy this token using Ethereum, BNB, USDT, or Solana. In other words, you have all the options to purchase this token. I always recommend buying either MetaMask to use the merchant pod, Ethereum, or directly to buy with USDT. And if you are going to buy with Solana, always use the Phantom wallet, which is one of the safest in my opinion. So analyze it thoroughly, as it's extremely important. Before making any kind of investment, you have to be 100% convinced of what you are going to do, since investments in cryptocurrencies, they are very volatile and there is a huge risk of losing everything. So by analyzing it completely, you will be able to earn a lot of money as well as lose a lot of money. So always analyze it 100%. And above all, one thing I always say that is extremely important. Whenever you access a presale, do it from an official link. Never enter through a link provided by anyone else. This here is extremely important because with this, you'll avoid a lot of scams. Obviously, since it's a token that has a lot of backing, it's audited. You will be able to see the information directly from here. Or if you want to see it in much more detail, you will see it directly in the section here, in which you will see absolutely everything that is analyzed in the token to see if it has backdoors. If there are backdoors, there are many things that can be avoided. It's quite secure. It looks pretty good. So make sure to analyze it thoroughly before making any kind of investment. Another important and great thing it brings, also the presale of this platform, notice that it has a direct referral link where you can earn 18%. This 18% is divided into two phases directly. You will get 15% of the investment, meaning whatever the person you share your link with invests, referred in USD, and 3% directly in the Solanex token. Another thing I always recommend analyzing is the distribution of the token in the relevant percentages. For example, we have the liquidity of ZEX and DEX, which is 12%, the presale, which is now at 35%, and the team, meaning the advisory team, only takes 7%. Marketing and the community take 12%, the treasury takes 16%, and the growth of the system gets 18%. And another thing that I take for granted, which I assume almost everyone already knows, is that current presales are all the rage. Make a round phase. That is to say, there are practically 1 day and 6 hours left for this round phase to end. This doesn't mean that the presale is ending. The round phase ends and the token value will increase. So, if you're set on buying, do it as soon as possible to get a better return when the token launches. Now, what makes this exchange or this decentralized token launch platform different from the ones we usually know? The transaction speed. Why? Because it will also operate with artificial intelligence. This will lower costs and also make each transaction done directly on this platform more efficient. The launches will be more efficient, faster, and obviously much safer. And this makes it quite transparent for everyone who transacts within this platform. Now, I'm going to explain how you can buy your token without any issues. Remember that in the description and pinned messages, I'll leave the official links to access the presale. Once you access it, just click on Buy Soldex. Let's wait a moment for the page to load, and then we just need to connect our wallet. Remember, you can do this through your MetaMask wallet on the Ethereum network, the merchant network, or whichever you find suitable, or you can also use your Phantom wallet. You can use either of the two. Now I'm going to explain how to do it. Just click on Connect Wallet in this section here. We will select EVM if we want to choose MetaMask, or Solana if we want to select the Phantom wallet directly, which in this case says Phantom because the page is translated. we can select, for example, the Phantom wallet or directly MetaMask. We click on MetaMask, for example, and we're going to connect it. We wait a few seconds and we're now directly connected to the platform. And here, we're just going to select the coin we want to transact with. Obviously, it is important to take the network into account. For example, if you want to operate the Ethereum network, you will have to buy directly with Ethereum. If you operate in the merchant pod, you can do it with both BNB and USDT. And on the other hand, if you want to do it through the Solana network, you can do it with Solana, directly the Sol token, or directly with USDT. I always choose Solana or USDT, as those are the two coins I usually transact with. In this case, I'm going to make the purchase through Solana since it's hosted on that network. Let's click directly to connect our Solana wallet and do the same operation. We click on Solana, select Phantom, wait a few seconds, and link our account. It's that simple, and we simply select Solana. Let's put in the maximum amount, which is what I have, and I'm going to put in exactly half. I'm going to buy directly half of the tokens. That would be 0.2. And this would be the amount of tokens I'm going to receive in my wallet. And once you're here, you just go to the section down below and you click on this button here. At this moment, it shows as operational, and I'm going to explain why. Because the minimum purchase is $97. And right now it's not coming through. So I'm going to switch wallets to make the purchase. But you simply enter the amount, for example, $100 in a CDT, and it will show you the amount. You click to buy, sign the contract, and that's it. It's that simple. Another important thing I haven't explained is that in this part here, it shows a 5%. This 5% refers to the fact that if you make an investment of $250 or more, you'll receive a 5% bonus in tokens based on your investment. So whether it's $500, $600, or $700, starting from $250, you'll get a 5% bonus on your purchase. And as I always tell you guys, go directly to social networks, whether Twitter or Telegram, so that you are 100% informed of all the authorizations that the platform has directly. Since I've made an investment in it, I'm obviously going to stay updated on everything that happens. And if you have any questions, whatever it may be, about how to transact, how to make the investment, how to make the withdrawals, likewise, as I always tell you, if you have any questions, let me know. Just write to me directly, and I'll explain to you how transactions work, how the Solana network works, the Binance network, Merchain, MetaMask, Phantom, etc. For any questions about the project, you'll need to ask directly in the project's group to get an efficient or effective response based on your doubt. It's extremely important that you analyze the project 100% and ask any questions you think are relevant. Ask, and ask until you're satisfied with every answer the platform's team gives you. So obviously, before investing, check the description of this video and join the Solana community directly, and also follow them on Twitter so you can stay 100% informed about all the upcoming changes and updates. So guys, I've pretty much explained everything you need to know. Analyze the projects, as I always say. You have to be responsible when it comes to investing. I'm signing off here, sending you a kiss, a hug, and a huge thank you for always being there. And as I always say, I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.
Seems now we just see everything we believe.